Ciao a tutti, good evening everyone, and welcome at the first episode of the Ducati World Premiere 2023. As you know, Ducati World Premieres are our format to introduce, to unveil the new Ducati bikes. We are here in Misano, live, a really special place for us. In fact, it's here where only last July, over 80,000 enthusiasts gathered together to celebrate Ducati at the 11th edition of the World Ducati Week. Today, we are here again in Misano at the GP of Riviera di Rimini and San Marino to celebrate a new chapter of a great and amazing partnership between two great Italian brands, Ducati and Lamborghini. But to discover this new chapter, let me introduce you Andrea Ferraresi, director of Centro Stile Ducati. Ciao Andrea.
Hi all.
And Mitja Borket, head of design of Automobile Lamborghini.
Ciao Giulio.
Ciao Mitja. So, Andrea. Okay. So, Andrea, Ducati and Lamborghini are not just close to each other geographically speaking, isn't it?
Yes, you're right. Ducati and Lamborghini are two Italian excellences. We are in the heart of Motor Valley. Our headquarters are really close. We are part of the same group, but above all, we share the same values.
Mitja, I know that you are a big fan of motorcycle and of course Ducati. Can you tell us which are these values that Ducati and Lamborghini share?
Absolutely. I'm glad to be here. So in Lamborghini, we are sharing very important values. The first one, for sure, is an uncompromising performance of our cars. The second is the brave engineering. The third point is for sure the one that I'm taking care is the design. So we are about a really unique design DNA at Lamborghini. The fourth is the attention to the detail, to be really authentic. The five is, of course, the unexpected of Lamborghini, to have really the maximum of personalization on our cars. And last but not least, we are here in Misano, it's the racing DNA, and also here we are really strong, and I'm happy that we always race in style, because also here our cars are really created in beauty on the racetrack.
You are right, Mitja, you are right. Andrea, but this bike is not the first creation between Lamborghini and Ducati.
Yes, of course, you are right. The first time we joined our forces to create a motorcycle was 2 years ago, when our Centro Stile, Ducati and Lamborghini, created the fantastic and very successful Diavel 1260 Lamborghini. It was really successful. The bike was sold out in a couple of weeks, and at that time, the Ducati designer took inspiration from the ultra-exclusive Lamborghini Sian. And now, after 2 years, and after this great success of the Diavel, we are here to celebrate, to unveil another limited and special edition, again, as the Diavel, produced in only 630 units, 10 times 63, which is the magic number for Lamborghini.
Right, you're right, Andrea. And this time, the inspiration has been the great and amazing Lamborghini Huracán STO, this car. Wow, it's amazing, Mitja. Can you tell us something about this beauty?
First of all, it looks beautiful here in the sunset at Misano. This is the Huracán STO. This is the most performing version that we have ever created on the Huracán range. It is a car that is absolute fun to drive. It's a car that is really great to look at, and it's really a car that, in terms of design, it is really celebrating all the values of Lamborghini. So it's taking inspiration, obviously, on our race cars, especially on our one-make racing series Super Trofeo, you see in every detail, and of course on our successful GT3 cars. So it's a unique Lamborghini. You see immediately it's the STO, and it's containing in every millimeter our strong and recognizable design DNA of Lamborghini.
It's really amazing. Andrea, which is the Ducati formula for the project that we call V20C, right?
Yes, V20C is the internal code for this project. And basically, we have applied the well-known fight formula to the latest version of the Panigale V4. So you have to imagine the Panigale V4 2023, stripped by the fairing with a high and wide handlebar, with all the key design features of the Huracán STO. The Misano stradale engine, of course, with its 208 horsepower, and the aero package, and the most updated electronic suite.
We like to call it the unexpected formula. Andrea, you talk about the 630 units. 63, as you said, is a really magic number for Lamborghini, but not only for Lamborghini. Also for us, especially in this kind of context, so in MotoGP races, because it's the racing number of our Pecco Bagnaia. Pecco, would you mind to come with us? Ciao Pecco, how are you?
Good, good.
Ciao Pecco, ciao.
Thank you for the car.
Ciao.
Later you can give me the keys.
Subito.
So do you want to see the bike?
Yes.
Okay, so
Okay.
ladies and gentlemen, it's time to see the video of the unexpected formula, the video of the new Ducati Streetfighter V4 Lamborghini. Wow, Pecco, do you want to discover the bike? Come build the bike?
Okay.
Woo!
Grazie.
What do you think? What do you think about the big 63 number on the tank?
I really like. The colors are like always incredible, and the 63 is strange that I have number 63. So I'm very happy. For the first time I seen a collaboration on the Diavel was already incredible. I really like the Street Fighter, so it's great. It's great. I'm happy for you, for Ducati.
Thank you. Thank you very much, Pecco. Thank you very much for being with us. I know that during the WW you rode the STO, isn't it?
Yeah, it was incredible. I really love cars, but we are not speaking about a normal car. We are speaking about one of the top in our era. So it's incredible. I really like it, and I feel that is incredible. I feel that on track you can ride without any experience and already feel like a rider. So it was incredible.
So we have to organize a test ride with the Streetfighter V4 Lamborghini.
Surely.
Thank
I
you,
would like
thank
to.
you, thank you very much, Pecco. Pecco, thank you to be here with us in this really special moment.
Have a good day.
Grazie.
Have a good night.
Thank you. Ciao.
Thank you, thank you very much. So it's time to discover this new bike with Andrea and Mitja. So Andrea, how did you proceed to define this unexpected motorcycle?
It's really an unexpected motorcycle. I like to define it, to call it a bike with an imposing presence. And we have created this imposing presence, transferring into the motorcycle field all the key design features of the Huracán STO. Now the bike and the car speak the same bold design language. Basically, we have worked on three main areas: on the wheels, of course, on the bodywork, and we have created this fantastic and eye-catching livery. I think that soon this bike will be something that can't be missed in a collector garage. Maybe, hopefully, parked beside the Diavel 1260 Lamborghini.
For sure, we will see some garage with both bikes.
For sure. Let's go quickly through the main components and main item of the bike, starting from the rims. On a motorcycle, rims are so important, and for Ducati even more. In this case, both the rim and the fixing nut of the rear wheel has the same design of the one of the car. We have redesigned almost all the part of the bodywork, and also the one that's remained the same has been changed from plastic made to carbon fiber, using the same carbon fiber texture and finishing of the one that Lamborghini uses. Componentry. Front mudguard. Front mudguard is clearly inspired by the Cofango of the Huracán STO. The belly panel has been shaped around the air intake, the same air intakes that cools the rear brake of the Huracán. The shoulder, we call the shoulder, so the side cover of the tank, shows a very muscular design and incorporates this louver, the same that you have here on the Cofango of the Huracán. And last but not least, the tail section, the passenger cover, completely new, with the air exit, air vents that are the same that are on the bonnet of the Huracán.
Mitya, Lamborghini is very, very strong in color range. You have more than 400 options for colors. So it was not an easy task to define this scheme for this bike.
No, absolutely not. But delivery, of course, is also the final link between this beautiful STO and the beautiful motorcycle. The paint is called Verde Chitrea, and the contrast color is called Arancho Duck. It's really a fantastic color that is really shiny, very liquid, and it's really underlining the wedge of the bike as we have it also on the car. There are small little details, the Lamborghini logo, of course, the STO logo, of course, and then we talked about it already, the initial year of Lamborghini, the 63 number, painted really beautifully on the tank.
It's absolutely, absolutely amazing. And Andrea, it's limited numbered bike, right?
Yes, yes, it is. And in Ducati, every limited and numbered bike must have a serial, a progressive number on it. Here, you have it, first of all, on a metal plaque inserted into the central carbon fiber tank cover. You have it on the ignition key, it's engraved in an aluminum plaque on the ignition key, and it appears at every key on the dashboard, together with the silhouette on the bike, and together with the what we call an open ceremony with the two shields, Ducati and Lamborghini together.
Andrea, and what about the technical features?
Of course, also the technical feature has been updated and enriched, and we did it applying using super premium componentry. First of all, the muffler. Now it is the fully approved, fully homologated Karapovic titanium made with the end caps in carbon fiber. The dry clutch and the adjustable rider foot peg made in aluminum, machined from a billet by Rizoma. From a performance point of view, the Desmo 16 stradale engine delivers 208 horsepower in fully Euro 5 homologation configuration. The dry weight is 178 kilos, and this gives a power-to-weight ratio of respectable 1 to 0.17.
Andrea, very, very impressive numbers for have fun for both rides on the road and, of course, on the racetrack, because this is a Ducati. And what about the rider's look, Andrea?
Of course, we wanted to have a perfect match between the look of the motorcycle and the car and the rider. That's why only for this 630 lucky customer, we have developed a capsule collection made of an helmet, a jacket, and a leather suit, of course, with the same color scheme of the car and of the motorcycle.
But there is something more on the stage. In Ducati, we like to say one more thing. We know, Mitya, that Lamborghini owners really, really loves uniqueness. So this is the reason why we decided to make, let's say, like a gift for the owners of Lamborghini, right?
Absolutely, absolutely. We are here in Emilia-Romagna, so we have always one more thing. So, as you say, I mean, again, we have this wonderful 630 pieces of this beautiful motorcycle in Verde Chitrea with this orange color theme. It's really fantastic. But we want to offer something very special to Lamborghini customers only Lamborghini customers. And we have another presentation just waiting over there. So we have brought a version where the Lamborghini customer can really select, I mean, he can take the color theme of his Lamborghini and put it on the Streetfighter V4 Lamborghini in 63 limited pieces.
So, do you want to see the bike?
I think so. Let's see it. Let's see it.
So this is an example about what a Lamborghini customer can do. So replicate the same color scheme of his car, isn't it?
Of the car. That's right. It's fantastic. Fantastic. I love it. I know that this is one of the favorite car combination for Micha.
I mean, as you know, I mean, we have really we have thought so much on the color that we placed on the STO and on the Lamborghini bike, and then we wanted to find another cool. And you know, the best is, you know, Lamborghini is always famous for colors, but Lamborghini is also famous for the jet fighter colors. So this is a grigio acceso, it's called. It's a matte gray color, very beautiful with the orange California detailing. Two fantastic bikes. I could not select myself what I would like to have, but you know, my biggest compliments to Ducati and great compliments to you, to Centro Stile, Ducati. You have made a fantastic job with these two beautiful bikes.
Okay, fantastic. I'm really looking forward to see what this 63 customer will do together with us, with our Centro Stile, matching their car with this motorcycle. I think it's worth to mention once again that every one of these 63 motorcycles will be one different by the other one. So, Giulio, I think that now it's really all, and the stage is yours.
Yeah, and yes, Andrea, of course, it's at the end. We are at the end. Let me say that everybody in Ducati and Lamborghini are really, really excited about this project. So thank you, Andrea. Thank you, Mitya, for the presentation. For all of you guys that are following us in live streaming, if you want to have more details about this new great bike, please go to Ducati.com website, because the unexpected formula is coming. Thank you very much, and see you next time.
Thank you.
Thank you.